Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over how to draw an angle in standard position. So just really quickly, drawing an angle in standard position means you start here at the origin and this is your initial side. And then here would be in quadrant 1. So this right here would be your angle in your standard position. Okay, so this is your terminal side. So you can see how it creates this angle. That's drawing an angle in standard position. Now, when you're coming across a problem like this and trying to create and figure out an angle that is created by this equation containing this line, how do I solve this thing right here? 0.4x. As you know, 0.4 is your slope. So there's a couple of ways that we could do this. And the easiest way we've learned in class is take 0.4 and then you can go ahead and go to the math function and ask it to convert it into fractions. And then that would be your 2 over 5, or in other words, the slope is up to.
Michelle Cavassa, please call Ruth. Michelle Cavassa, please call Ruth. Thank you.
So up to and to the right 5. So that's what the slope is. So that's equivalent to 0.4. So I can rewrite this as y is equal to 2 over 5x. We can also go and put that in our graphing calculator in the y equals, and then go to our table of values and see that when x is 5, the y is 2. So if we want to go ahead and figure out what the angle that is created by this line containing this point, we would simply go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 on the x-axis, and so there it is. Then I would go ahead and go through 0, or the origin, since my y-intercept here is 0. Again, there's my origin in the standard position. So that creates this angle, and at the same time we can go ahead and drop the altitude and straight down, and that creates that little triangle. So once we draw this, we want to know what this angle is. So I can label this P, Q, R, and the question would be, what is the angle? What's the measurement of angle P? Okay. So given this triangle, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. You can see that some of the known side, if you see, this is 5 units long, and this is 2 units long. So you can see that now I have a right triangle. So which other trigonometric function can I use to find the measurement of the angle? Well, since from this angle, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent, I could use the tangent of that missing angle that I'm looking for, and so that would be opposite over adjacent. So how do I find that? And when I'm looking for an angle, you'll want to do the inverse tangent. Take the inverse tangent. So that would give me the angle, and then type that into your calculator, clear that mode. So I go to inverse tangent of 2 divided by 5. And then that'll give me the angle measure of 21.8 degrees. So 21.8 degrees. So that would be this angle right here, the standard position. Good luck.